Alright, that's okay. Let him go. Where is he? Lift the rod tip a little higher, Jarrett. Nice and easy. Not too hard. Lift it up in the sky. Damn it. Go on. Go on. I don't see him. Did he get off? Damn it. Come here. Come. Did he get off? Lift it up in the air. He got off.